Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Texan Roofing. Congratulations again to the entire team at Texan Roofing in Katy, Texas, for being one of the few companies in America to win back-to-back national Best of the Best honors each year since 2015, including our top honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and again in 2018. Texan Roofing is a very good company in every way. When we first started researching Texan Roofing in late 2015, they had fantastic customer reviews. But at Best of the Best, we know things can change at companies, so we always monitor those reviews. At Texan Roofing, the recent reviews in 2017 and 18 have even gotten better. Clients love Texan Roofing and have for years. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company, just like most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Texan Roofing story. Texan Roofing does a lot of things really well. All kinds of roofing, radiant barriers and gutters, both residential and commercial. They are also storm damage restoration experts, and they do lots of roof inspections for real estate companies. And whatever this company does, it's done right. The owner, Tim Kanya, personifies what a true Texan is all about. He worked hard in tough jobs from the time that he was a kid. He was a college football linebacker on 2 championship teams. He came home and went to work as an estimator at Mustang Engineering, then as a piping designer at Floor Daniel. But after 9/11, thousands were laid off. The oil and gas industry was struggling. Tim was one of the last to go, but his work ethic drove him to a new career. He went to work in roofing sales. He did really well, eventually opening his own company, Texan Roofing. Tim is very proud of his people at Texan Roofing. His guys are simply the best you can get. They're professional project managers, not guys who knock on doors after a hailstorm. The Texan team is simply too busy to do that stuff. They get a ton of referrals from people who know what great roofing companies look like. Texan Roofing gets the vast majority of its work from realtors, property managers, insurance agencies, and most of all, from previous customers. Tim has a simple rule: treat every customer like a member of your family and never compromise on honesty and integrity. Texan Roofing holds major certifications with the top quality manufacturers. They're both a CertainTeed Master Shingle Applicator and a GAF Master Elite. Let's just look at the Master Elite designation. This is reserved for only the best of the best in the roofing industry. Fewer than 3% of all roofers in North America ever achieve Master Elite status. Being a Master Elite means that the Texan Roofing crew has a history of installing roofs perfectly, and they have excellent reviews from clients. When we reviewed Texan Roofing in 2018, they had 65 5-star reviews from customers surveyed by GAF alone, probably more by the time you see this video. Being a Master Elite allows the Texan Roofing team to offer the prestigious Golden Pledge warranty. That's the only warranty in the roofing industry to receive the Good Housekeeping seal of approval. You gotta love that. When we reviewed Texan Roofing in both 2015 and again in 2018, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau. At Best of the Best, we care most though about what real customers say about any business. The reviews and testimonials on Google, Yelp, GAF, Facebook, Angie's List, Check-A-Pro, and other places about Texan Roofing are among the best we've ever seen. Customers rave about the quality of workmanship, the professionalism of the crews, the communication during the project, the attention to detail, the cleanup, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by the Texan Roofing team every single day. Both times that we've reviewed Texan Roofing, including this review in 2018, they had dozens and dozens of 5-star reviews on every credible review site out there. Remember, read those recent reviews. And if you ever see a bad review, read the owner's response to that review. It is very common in this industry for competitors to write phony bad reviews about companies. We know this, and you should too. Read lots and lots of reviews like we do. They give you the real picture of any company, and when you do that with Texan Roofing, like we have over a period of years, you will see that this is a great company. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The team in Texan Roofing has given back to many people and organizations over the years. We love that. Texan Roofing is very responsive after storms. They know how to work with the insurance companies and their clients the right way. It can be a delicate relationship. Remember, after a storm, beware of some fly-by-night contractor who shows up at your door. It is so important when an insurance company is trying to decide if they'll pay a claim or not that they trust the roofer. They trust Texan Roofing. Texan Roofing's team is well respected because they do great work with integrity 24/7. Congratulations again to everyone at Texan Roofing in Katy, Texas, for winning back-to-back Best of the Best national honors each year since 2015, including our top honors for customer satisfaction in 2016, 17, and 18, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it again.